I'm in the MOTER booth, MOTER, with Awf Wiswasi, and the pitch here says MOTER is the bridge between automakers, and insurers. So I'm thinking this is going to be controversial and awesome. What do you have to tell us about today, Awf?
So basically, we get our data from the car using COVESA standard signals, and then our SDK libraries, the software we create, basically, we have driver scoring, driver coaching, and then accident and event detection. So basically, you have our software in the car, and as you drive for each trip, it would score you and check your driving behavior.
I don't like that. I'm a terrible driver.
So that'll help you become a better driver and safer also.
So does it gamify it? Is that part of it?
So think of it as every time you drive better, your score increases, so you pay less premium. That's the idea.
So as I'm driving, and actually it's very strange for Steve and me that we're watching the video. The videos are all with cars driving right where we live, or in our neighborhood. So I've got this system in my car, and I'm going to be driving along. I'm paying attention. I'm not paying attention. I'm going to get a score. And whatever I do is being reported to my insurance company.
No. So whatever you do is going to go to the cloud, where for now it's mostly rideshare rentals, like fleets, similar like that. And then, so imagine a fleet manager wants to see who are his best drivers and worst drivers. So you can easily go look at the data, see each driver's scoring and their driving events like speeding, tailgating, hard braking, all accidents if they cause any. And
I'm okay as long as somebody else is getting monitoring, just not me.
But it doesn't go directly to an insurance company.
Oh, it does not? Oh,
no,
okay.
It doesn't go right away. So that's another thing. Like it would depend on the customer. So one of our customers, for example, is a non-emergency medical, non-emergency fleet. So like not 911, but those, someone wants to go to the hospital, someone's on a wheelchair, and they need those. We install those in their vehicles also to monitor how good those drivers are. Because maybe like someone elderly, someone is sick or injured, and so
make sure they're safe.
Yeah, basically. Make sure the driver is not driving recklessly or...
Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about how this works. I see two pieces of hardware here. I see a cluster module and a console map. I got a bunch of wires. I got some Ethernet going on here. What is all this hardware?
So imagine these are the car infotainment systems in the middle. And so our product is basically the software that's installed in these. So that one over there acts like the car ECU, sending the signals to the car software, and then our software is in there, so it scores the driver and also sends driver coaching messages and information. So all you have to do is just turn on your car and start driving, and it takes care of it.
So this is hardware simulation we're looking at right here. This is not something I've got to install in my car if I'm one of these drivers.
Like imagine this is a car and that's another car.
I got you. So we see somebody driving along and maybe they're not paying attention to the road. It's going to give them some sort of signal to say, hey, you want to look back at the road, and you're watching the score.
Speeding right now. So the driver was speeding, so you get that recorded. And then sometimes like a lane departure if they go. And then you can go back and look at your trip, see what happened. Like you look at what caused your score to drop or increase.
So this is, at this point, you're looking at companies that you can partner with to put this in cars for, say, if you could get Uber to do it, or, well, that doesn't work as well because it's not really a fleet, but maybe somewhere where they control the vehicle, right?
Yeah, we want to support as many different platforms as we can so that our software they can just install it and then do whatever they want to do with
it's got a little big brother on it. I'm not gonna lie, little bit, but I don't know. Again, my premise is humans shouldn't be driving at all. So if this helps us to be better drivers, maybe that's the right thing.
Yeah, I would say it's on your side, then it's against you. It's more to help the driver than actually be taxing to the driver.
Butter side up.
Butter side.
All right, thank you very much, Awf. This is very interesting. The company name is MOTER, MOTER. If people wanted to learn more, where would they go?
MOTER.ai.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.